What up YouTube, Eli here. Welcome back to my channel for another video. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to properly record audio for your YouTube videos. Make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show support to this channel. And if you're new, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And don't forget to share. Today's video was actually inspired by my wife. She also has a YouTube channel and she's been recording voiceover for her channel for the past couple weeks, and she's been having some trouble with her voiceovers. And while I was actually showing her how to record voiceover for her videos, I remember watching a lot of useful YouTube videos that had poor audio. So I thought this would make a great video. So I decided to make this video today to show you guys how to properly record audio for your videos. Alright, and for today's video, I'm actually going to be using two different microphones. The first one is going to be my SM57, which is the professional recording studio microphone that is going into my Studio 192 audio interface. Again, that's a professional audio interface that is going into my laptop, into GarageBand. Now, I wanted to keep at least one thing in this chain to be the same, so that's why I am using GarageBand on my laptop to record my voiceover for this video. And as well, the second microphone that I'm actually going to be using is the Mic Lav Video Vlog microphone, which is actually the kit that my wife uses to record her voiceovers, and that's going directly into the Apple iPad into GarageBand. Now, this is not a comparison video to show you guys which is better. I'm simply going to show you guys how to properly record audio using the microphone that you have. Let's get into this video. When you're recording a voiceover for your video, there's two things that you need to pay attention to. The first thing is your mic placement. Whether you were using a fancy microphone or you were using like a YouTube kit microphone like this one, then you need to pay attention to your placement of where you're placing your microphone. The most important thing that you need to do is to have the microphone pointing at your mouth, because if it's not pointing directly at your mouth, then it's going to become more of the room sound versus picking up the actual sound that's coming from your mouth, and that's what you need to record. Like for my main microphone, I have it hanging overhead and it's actually pointing down to my chest. The way it's pointing down to my chest, that it picks up everything that my mouth is saying, and that's the audio being recorded, not the actual audio that is bouncing off in the room. That's not what's being recorded. It's the same thing that I have set up for this current YouTube kit microphone. It's actually a little closer to me, but still it is pointing directly at my mouth. So what I'm saying is actually being picked up by the microphone. So for a setup like this, that's fine. I'm actually doing a video, so I don't need the microphone to be directly in front of me. But what if you were doing a little voiceover like my wife does? The microphone needs to be a little closer, because now you're not worried about somebody seeing the microphone in the video. All you're worried about is how the sound actually comes out. If we turn over to the actual iPad screen and we're looking at what's actually being recorded, you'll see that on the mic channel input, you'll see the volume is very high, but I'm staying in the green most of the time. That's because the microphone is actually a little away from me, so when I speak, it doesn't go into the red, and that gives me good audio that I can actually use. But what if I was doing an actual voiceover? If I was doing an actual voiceover where I need to have the microphone like straight up, right up against my mouth, you'll notice now every time I speak, it mostly stays in the red, and that audio is not going to be usable. It's going to sound very distorted and it's going to sound very crunchy. You don't want that kind of audio. You want an audio that is very good level. So to get that, you would need to actually turn down your volume. This might be too low, but as you can see now, I am staying in the green, so I will adjust it up a little bit. As long as I'm staying in the green, I'm good. But if I put it up, now when I speak, I go in the red, and that is not usable. Alright, this is all I have for you guys today, and I hope you find this video to be very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications for more videos like this. Don't forget to share it, and I'll see you next time in the next video.